What's good, homies and homies? Dreycosting here. Alright, so no post of YouTube video last week. Trust me, my throat is like totally sore, you know what I mean? And I was just really giving it a little rest, you know what I mean? So just been doing a lot of YouTube videos, in addition to teaching my courses to my students. So it's been a really struggle on my voice, but anyhow, we're back here, you know what I mean, and I'm gonna try my very best not to overshout or anything like that, you know. My wife keep on telling me that I should protect my health, but you know what we do it on a Saturday. We're just gonna go through the weekly recap of the trades. So I had 3 losers, right? So I'm gonna start with the losers, right? So arcade, right? So let's go with arcade. So all my losers were like the same thing. Now I'm like totally ticked, right? So basically what's happening, where I try to have my stop loss really tight, right? So I see shift retest right here. Price was respecting this area with a lot of wicks, right? So probably I went in too early or something like that, right? And then what happened? One of these wicks just pushed me out. So it is what it is. After that, price did this. I was like, it is what it is, right? So moving on to CHF, right? Same scenario, right? I had my stop loss right here, right? So I was looking at this little console right here after price shift retest created a high low, right? Basic of trading confirm. I went in, right? See my went in too early, seeing little wicks push me out, right? So I lost this trade again. RDSD, same thing, right? I don't know, probably I was like totally cursed for this with this week, right? Right, I saw the shift retest high low, man. I went in, but then this little wick right here, right? So I went in there about right here, started to go up, but this little wick right here pushed me out. Then it did this. So guess my stop loss are a little bit too tight, but I rather it to be tight and to get a tighter entry than to have a wide stop loss. So it is what it is. All right. So let's move on to my winners now. All right. So UJ, so UJ was like totally nice. Y'all see me post his profits on my Instagram, right? So UJ, I was in UJ from about last week Thursday for the longest time, right? So I went in UJ about the 11th, and I didn't come out until the 19th. So when I say you gotta be patient, right? I'm a long-term trader, right? So stop loss was right here. This yellow line right here. See stop loss. So gradually move up my stop loss. So all in all, from here to here is roughly 64 pips. So probably if I took profit much more early, I would have got 133 pips, but it is what it is. I ain't crying over spilled milk. Got some pips on this, so this was a winner for me. Gold, y'all see me posting the gold all over my Instagram as well. So gold been on a nice little downtrend. So it's simple, right? Came up, shift retest, lower high, right? Winning the gold. Got all this nice little gold going down right here. So trust me, I was really doing well in gold. And when I say doing well, I'm not talking just me, but all the students in my community. Eurocad, same thing, right? Eurocad in a nice little downtrend, shift retest, lower high. Bam, I'm in right there. So I got this nice little 50 pip profit right there, right? See right here, you see how these wicks almost push me out right here as well. Tight stop loss. Look at that stop loss, tight stop loss, right? GBP JPY, same thing, shift retest high low. Bam, I'm in right there, right? So I got these nice little pips right here. They're about 117 pips. So I did play around, and I like totally stepped up my game for this week, because I wasn't doing a lot of YouTube videos or anything like that. I was like resting my voice and more like drilled in and focused on getting the job done, you know what I mean? So it was a really great week for me. Euro USD, same thing, right? So it was in this nice little downtrend, right? So this was the previous high right here, shift retest, lower high, bam, winning, right? And I almost got kicked out with this wick right here, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? And then bam, went down. I got 55 pips. And then UC, so UC was my final trade for the week, right? Nice little downtrend, right? Shift retest, low high, bam. Then I went in right there, right? 10 pips, tight stop loss, 10 pips, all the way to 47 pips. So it's a good week. So let me show you how these charts reflected in my Discord community, not just for me but also for my students as well. And these are just some of the stuff that I sent out and that we discuss during my chart markup every Sunday with my students. But they do stuff on their own, right? I teach people how to get bread for themselves, so I don't try to hold back anyone. So from once you're with me, I teach you how to be a professional and how to analyze stuff, analyze the news, analyze the markets, just overall. So let's jump into the Discord. Alright, so first of all, you could join my Discord community as a visitor just to see how we're performing, right? By clicking the link below. You see the Discord link below, click that link below and it takes you as a visitor so you can see how we're performing, right? And once you're interested, you could just send me a direct message in the Discord and I'll get you started on the course. Alright, so let's take a quick run through. So I'm gonna take from the latest all the way back, right? So this is my bro Randy, this is like my bro, this is like my brother. I'm so proud of him using good risk management based on the size of your account. So you're doing good on that AU, GBP, JPY, you know what I mean? Everything that we discuss, right? Everything that we discuss. This is my bro Sheldon, he's doing really good. Taking his time, scaling up his account. He started the account with roughly about $10 or $20, guys, and bro just using good risk management and scaling up his account, and I love that, right? So you don't need a lot of money to start, you just need the right skill set, right? You just need the right skill set, trust me. Right, this girl Fisher, she just started trading this week. You know, she's taking her time, right, using good risk management, taking her time. So I'm proud of her, right? This is the UJ that I showed you guys, right? So I got a nice little profit off that, off UJ. Bro Randy again with those AU. My bro Marlon, he's really doing good. See the Euro USD, all the trades that I just showed you on the chart, right? These guys just killing it, right? Euro USD, US CAD, all the trades that I just showed you, these guys just killing it, man. Taking their time from small account to large account. Gold, girl right here, V, she love her gold. So once I mark up that chart and send it out on gold, girl just gonna sit on that chart and just milk that chart all week. You know what I mean? She's all about the gold. She don't trade nothing else, so I'm good with that. Euro USD, girl doing good, right? And GBP JPY. Bro said that GJ love. He only trade GJ. So a lot of people specialize in what they want to specialize in. I just teach you the skill, and then after that you choose to do what you want to do. You go V again with them gold. She love her gold. You know what I mean? So doing really well. Gold, right? More again on the EU. You know what I mean? So doing really well. GBP JPY, a lot more GBP JPY. You know what I mean? And there I go again on that gold, you know what I mean? So gold really treat me good this week. Not gonna lie, you know what I mean? Not gonna lie. So Euro USD, you know what I mean? So girl on that gold as well. It will be just been basically selling gold all week, man. It's just like crazy. Euro USD, you go my Euro USD profit where I got that quick jump in and jump out, right? That Euro CAD that I showed you guys. You got my bro Zico, got them Euro CAD that I show you guys. So as I said, everything is there. You know, I say I showed you the charts. I mark up the charts every Sunday, show you what's up, show you plays, show you the profits from it. So it's no cap, right? I mark up the stuff on Instagram. Sometimes I post some stuff on Instagram and then show you how it plays out after the fact as well. So you know what I mean? Certain things you just can't cap. GBP JPY, you know what I mean? Certain things you just can't cap, guys. You know what I mean? If I tell you something before it happened, then actually show you what happened after it happens, like you just can't cap that. I'm not one of those person just coming out and showing you stuff after it happens. What sense would that make? You know what I mean? I'm showing you before it happened, after it happened. EuroCAD again, 8 profit I said, you know what I mean? So we're just really doing well. This is my EuroCAD. Alright, so this was me on EuroCAD. And this is my bro D on EuroCAD. You know, he's taking his time scaling up his account, you know what I mean? So I believe in practicing good risk management, guys, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. So see you guys tomorrow in the chart markup. You know, I'll try my best to get out a lot of videos this week, as well as I said, click the link down in the description to join my Discord community as a visitor, just to come be a part. We really operate a real professional group, and I'm just trying my best to go to the top with this thing and just help as much people as I can help in the world. And I'm humbled for anybody who give me the opportunity, you know what I mean, to take them to another level. Alright, so just big up on yourself and just go and enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'm out.